Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Jay Aquidaba. Some of you have been asking me to do a tutorial on how teachers can be able to input the grades for students into the WIDA system. So I will be doing this very short tutorial just to show you the process, and we'll be using the smartphone. So as a teacher, you can use your smartphone to do the imputation of students' grades, or better still, you can even use the computer. So, but the process is just the same. So, I'll be using the smartphone for this tutorial. Okay, so let's say you are in your account. So, what you would do is normally you click these three lines to the upper left. Okay, so you will have a pull down menu. Alright, so if you scroll all the way down, you will see my access. So this is where for the admin who is a teacher, this is where his teacher features are. So if you click this, if you expand this, you will see all of the features, all of the menu items as pertaining to teachers. So for a regular teacher in your account, as soon as you click those three lines, you will normally see these items directly. All right, so what you will do, you come here to subject detail teacher. So you will click that subject detail. Yes, you will click that, and just wait. Now it opens. Okay, so for a particular teacher, you will see the subjects, the classes that you are teaching with the subjects listed, just as you can see in here. So for this teacher, he teaches grade 1 to grade 4. He teaches mathematics, grade 5 Bible, grade 5 civics, and you name it. So all of the subjects and the classes will be listed. Okay, so let's take for example, we want to input the science grades for 5th period. So this is the science grade for 5th period. So you are going to click the field, the grade 5 right by this blue button. You will click that, and because we want to input the science grades. Okay, so there are two different ways we can that we can be able to add student grades. So the first one is where you have here detail. So for the detail section, if you click this detail, all of the students in the class listed, all of the students. But here you will be inputting their grades one after the other. Okay, so let's assume that we want to input the grade for Alex Mayo. So you will click on the field right by the blue button, and then this will appear. So where you see mark, this you see mark, this is where we are going to input the grades. The green button is the new grades that we are about to input. You will click the green button, but the blue button, this sky blue button, if you click the sky blue button, it takes you to the grades that have already been inputted in the system. Probably this student grade have been inputted first period, second period, or third period. And if you want to input 4th period, then you click on the green button. So let's do that. Click the green button. All right, so you see there, it opens. Then you have, this is a single student mark. So here, the test period, number, or exam type, you will click here and select the period. So let's say 4th period. So this is 4th period grade that we are about to enter. Then this is Alex Mayo. You click the box that is right by his name, and then you input the grades. Let's say 80. So you click add mark. All right. It says one student mark has been added successfully. Okay, so you can click this green field, say back to students. You can click there, or you click here back to students. Okay, this is back to subject and back to student. So which way ever where you want to go, you can click that. So let us go back all the way to the students. So we go back to the students, then you come again to the next student. Let's click the second student here, Amara Masakwe. So we click again this green button to input Amara Masakwe's grades. Okay, so we have click here to select the period, fourth period. Amara Masakwe score a grade of 90. So you say add mark. Okay, grade have been successfully inputted. So that is how you will do with this mentor to input the grades for students if you want to do them individually. But let's go back to the subject and see if we want to have all of the students grades inputted at the same time. So we'll go back there. Let's go. Let's say social studies. Okay, social studies. So here we are going to click result. So let's click the result. And when you click the result, it opens. This time around, you see all of the students in the class. So these are all of the students in the class. Then you have also here, you select the period, let's say fourth period, the same way. And then this is social studies, grade 5, social study grades. So the date, you can just leave the date as it is. If you want to change it, that is left with you. Then you input the grades for each of these students. But this time around, you have all of them. You can just input their grades, their respective grades. And yes, input their respective grades. Okay. Alright. So if there are students that have incomplete that do not have grades, all you do is to leave the blank space. Okay, so the system is taking a grade not less than 60. Okay, so students that will score 50, as you put 50 in, of course the minimum score that is acceptable by the system is actually 60. All right, so but if you want that for your school, if you can input 50 on your report card, then you just let us know. Then your system can be customized so that it can be able to accept the 50. Okay, but as it is, the minimum grade in the system is 60. Okay, so as you enter all of the grades, you say add mark. So we click that. Okay, they say 15 students marks have been added successfully. Okay, so basically that is how you can be able to add grades to the students. Okay, thank you. My name is J Akwe Double again. We'll see you in the next video.